What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. And today we are going to do grade 9 mathematics and science test. Grade 9. I'm grade 3 guys, don't worry, I will get all wrong, but this is the challenge by Muhammad Ayaan. If Muhammad Ayaan don't see this video, get him, bro. Take him. If anybody in my class seeing this, now let's go. Well, I'm saying wallahi, I never saw quiz video of that. I never take my wait guys, wait. Grade 9 mathematics Let's go. I feel grade 9 mathematics test. Guys, look. Look guys, which one should I do this? I'm gonna do it. Nope. Basic math quiz. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, wallahi, I never saw this video. I just pick on it. I know that I don't know any answer. Okay, let's do this. What is this? Yeah, easy. Let's go, Muhammad. I feel so nervous now. Bright side. Shout out, guys. Shout out to bright side of this video.
Boy, math riddles that will stump even your smartest friends. You know, math puzzles continue to become more and more popular. They seem very easy at first, but many people end up getting them all wrong. Do you want to test your logic skills? Number 1, let's start easy. Take a look at your telephone's number pad and answer this. What number would you get if you multiply all of its numbers? You have some time to count.
One, two, 3, 8. I don't know this. I need something like a not like this.
Hi there,
like
young
this.
math whizzes. Ready for a multiplication?
Grade 9. Let
me take you through this grade 9 math final exam I've given to classes in the past. It's out of 107 marks. It starts off with a multiple choice section, and then there are short answer sections on algebra, linear relations, and geometry.
Geometry?
Solutions to all the questions.
Okay.
And I'll give you some tips on how to successfully write math exams.
Okay.
Question number 1, 87 to the power of 0 equals...
Wait. 21 power equals... It's 71.
To the power of 0, except for 0 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So, C. And for a question like that, where it's a simple evaluating question, type it on your calculator. Double check your answer. Question 2. A to the power of 10 times a to the power of 5, written as a single power.
A50.
Okay, well I know when multiplying powers with the same base,
A50.
keep the base and add the exponents. So we get a to the power of 10 plus 5, which is a to the 15, and I see that as an option. C again. Question number 3.
No.
I have a power of a power, where the base of a power is
6.
the product of two things. I know the exponent rule tells me I put the outside exponent on both factors of the base. So I have to square the 3, and I have to square the x to the 4. 3 squared is 9. X to the 4 squared, an exponent on top of an exponent. You keep the base and multiply the exponents. 4 times 2 is 8. So I'll find the answer 9x to the 8. Here it is here.
Okay.
Now for questions like 2 and 3 that involve variables, you can still check your answer. Anytime you're saying that two expressions are equal to each other, like we're saying that a to the 15 is equal to a to the 10 times a to the 5. If we're saying two things are equal, pick a test value for a, sub it in, and make sure those two expressions are actually equal to each other. So let's check. Let's pick a value for a. How about 3? So I'm verifying question number 2 right now. So I want to see, is 3 to the 10 times 3 to the 5, is that equal to 3 to the 15? If we've chosen the correct answer, it should be equal. Let me check my calculator.
Oh yeah, this is okay. Easy. This one is easy. But how can I get this wrong? 8886.
There we go. I verified it. 1,003. So you probably have the correct answer. You can follow the same logic for verifying your answer for number 3. Pick a value for x, plug it into both expressions, make sure they're the same. On to number 4. 7 to the power of 5 times 7 is
7 to the 5 3 7 9 7 9. It's C. It's C. I know that.
Divided by 7 to the power of 3, written as a single power. Well,
So
let's
it's
combine
7 9
the first
7
two
9
powers.
7 9
And when
7
multiplying
9.
powers with the
I
same
know
base,
this. I think
keep
so.
the base and add the exponents. 5 plus 1 is 6. That product now needs to be divided by 7 to the power of 3. Those powers again have the same base, so keep the base. And when
So
dividing powers to the same base, you subtract the exponents. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 7 cubed.
Okay.
And this one will be easily
Yeah,
verifiable by typing both expressions on your calculator and making sure they're equivalent.
Simplify.
Number 5, I have a quotient of two
18,
expressions.
16.
I want to simplify it. So I'll start with the coefficients. 18 divided by 6, that's
18
3.
divided by 6 and then 36.
And now I'm going to look for powers that have the same base that are being divided. So I have two powers of m being divided, so I keep the base,
I think
subtract the
I
exponent,
think
6 minus
it's
2 is 4. And I have two powers of n being divided, subtract their exponents, 1 minus 1 is 0. It means we have 0 n's. So we could just erase that power of n. Or if you want to use your 0 exponent rule, remember n to the power of 0 is 1. So 3m to the 4 times 1 is just
Wait.
3m.
No. It's not 4. Wait. It is 4.
To the 4.
I think.
And here we have it, 3m to the 4.
Wait, what? Wait!
6.
I did it wrong.
I have a power where the base is a fraction.
Wait, which
The
fraction
exponent
is
applies
equal to 104? 116. No. I think I'll go with B.
to
It's
the
108.
numerator
18.
and the denominator. So I have to square.
No,
one
wait. This nominator, wait. Is there a nominator? Yeah, there is a nominator. So we need to nominator 1 to I might go with 1.
That gives
I
me
might go
1
with
over
1.
16.
I might
Here's
go
my
with
answer
1.
here.
Let's go! I did it. This one, that one, this one correct. This one correct.
There we go. We're on the first page of the exam, and almost all of these are easily verifiable with your calculator.
This one.
Number 7. This one we wouldn't be able to verify with the calculator.
Which pair of terms are not like terms? 4 7. M 2 M terms of 2 M. This people need to. I go B.
Later, please have to know what like terms are. Question 7 says, which pair of terms are not like terms? So like terms have the exact same variables with the exact same exponents.
Okay.
As I go through these, part A, both terms have a to the 1. B, both terms have an m and an n variable, but the exponents on the n's are different. The first one is an n to the 1, the second one is an n to the 2, so these ones are not like terms. I would just quickly double.
My one correct. I did that, bro.
We'll check C and D. Notice C, p squared q1, p squared q1, and D, x to the 1, x to the 1.
X to the
so
1.
we have our correct answer,
X.
B.
Wait, is it x to the 1 or x to the 3?
B are not
No,
like
no,
terms.
X to the
Notice
1,
I didn't care what the coefficients were for any of these.
The
We're just looking
expression
at
of
the
2
variable
is
part of
4,
each term.
8, 8, 7, 8, 9, 8, 6, 8, 4. Okay. Okay, this one little getting hard. But
Number 8.
Your math
This
math master is here.
expression is
The
a... wants us to...
okay, the expression is this is a bionormal or monomial. It's the expression of bio. Ooh, wait, if I look, it can be. This is bionormal.
classified by name.
Bionormal.
So we need to know how many
don't know,
terms
but
are there. And the terms are
I think it's
separated by the
bionormal.
addition and subtraction signs. So these are the separators, and I see 1, 2, 3 terms.
Wait! Bionormal. No. 1, 2, 8, 6, 8, 9, 15.
That means it's a trinomial.
Okay, trinomial. Wrong.
9. That same polynomial expression wants to know what's the degree of that polynomial.
2 minus 264 minus 2644d plus bd3 plus 66 is 3.
Well, to find the degree of a polynomial, you need to know that it's equal to
4.
the degree of the highest degree term. So
Wait, 4, it's 15, it's
Let me talk to you
15,
about the
it's 15,
different
it's 15, definitely 15. It's 15. It's 15. It's 15. It's 15. It's
subtraction
15.
signs. So these are the
It's 15, bro.
polynomial expression and wants to know what's the degree of that polynomial expression.
It's 15.
Well, to find the degree of a polynomial, you need to know that it's equal to the degree of the highest degree term. So we need to find the degree of all 3 terms. The first term, to find its degree, we add the exponents on the variables. 4 plus 1 is 5.
5.
The second term, 1 plus 3 is 4.
4. So that one is 6. So
Nope.
7.
Last term, 6.
Oh, 6.
What's the highest degree?
6.
Term? It's this one, its degree is 6.
So
the
degree
degree
C.
of polynomial,
D. It's D.
6.
It's D.
And of course, your teacher is going to put common mistakes as possible answers.
It's
But you
D.
have
It's
to
D.
remember that you don't add the degrees of all the terms, right?
Yeah,
it's not
D. It's
15.
D. Yeah.
It's equal
It's
to the degree
D.
of the highest degree
Definitely
term,
it's
6.
D.
5 to the power of negative 2 is equal to
5 to the power negative 2. To the power 15 is it? 15 minus
2. Well, I know the negative exponent rule tells me it's equal to the reciprocal of this, 1 over the power with a positive exponent.
2.
So it's equal to 1 over 5 squared, which is 1 over 25.
1 over
And once again,
25. So it's A.
in this one, when you're saying two things are equal, easily verifiable with your calculator. What value of m makes this equation true? If you know your exponent rules,
18.
we should be able to figure this out pretty easily. Because notice on the left side of the equation, I have 6 divided by 2, which is 3.
8.
And I have a power of a divided by a power of a. I know I keep the base of the power and subtract the exponents. I need to figure out how can that be equal to 3a to the 5. So to make this equation true, we just have to figure out what can I plug in for m so that the exponent becomes 5. Well, what minus 3 equals 5?
M minus 3 equals 5, so 15. Oh wait,
Answer?
8.
12. What's the correct solution to x minus 2 equals negative 4? So we just have to use inverse operations to isolate the x. So I'll add the...
What is the correct solution of x minus 2 for x minus x equals minus x equals 2. Okay, so 7x 2 equals 4.
2 to the other side.
7 4.
And I get
4 2 plus 4 plus 2 7 7 5. No 4 6. So it's A.
-2. And any solving an equation question, plug in your answer. Make sure it makes the equation true. Is -2 minus 2 equal to -4? Yeah, that's the correct answer. And if you had no idea how to do this question, you could literally one by one plug the possible answers into the equation and see which one makes it true. If you thought for some reason 6 was the correct answer, if you plug in 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, not -4, so we know that's not the correct answer.
Okay.
Don't wait until 2025 to start learning
Formula.
Japanese. If you do, you
Formula.
will miss
Oh,
out.
formula. Wait. I love formula so much.
13. Rearrange this formula.
What is the bracket is to isolate H.
To isolate H. So
Isolate.
A equals B times H over 2. I want to isolate H. I'll start by multiplying both sides of this equation by 2
feel like
to
it's
get rid
A.
of the fraction. So I've got 2A equals, these 2's cancel, BH. And then I want to isolate H, so I'll divide both sides by B, because right now that H is being multiplied by B. Inverse of multiplying by B is divided by B. The B's cancel, and we have 2A over B equals H. So I know
Hit. So it's
H is equal
D.
which is right there.
Let's go.
14. Solve the equation for x. When you have fraction equals fraction, you can cross multiply. Cross multiplying tells you to write the product of those two terms on one side of the equal sign, and the product of these two terms on the other side of the equal. So I'll write 4 times 4x minus 1 on the left, and 6 times 3x plus 2 on the right.
So it's...
And then I'll solve this equation for x. I'd have to do my multiplying. So I'll distribute the 4 into the binomial and distribute the 6 into this binomial.
It's minus 8.
Do all my multiplications and solve from there. So I'd have 16x minus 4 equals 18x plus 12. Get the terms with an x on one side and the constant terms on the other. I'll bring the constant terms to the left and the variable...
Wait, is 11?
...terms to the right. And collect my like terms. Negative 16 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. So my correct answer, negative 8. And once again, when solving an equation, take the time, plug it back in for the variable, make sure it makes left side equal to right side. 15 says expand and simplify. So expand means do the multiplications and get rid of the brackets. So I'll distribute the
we will do until only
20,
okay? Okay.
Negative 4 into this one. Make sure you distribute negative 4, not positive 4. That way it gets rid of the brackets all in one step. So my first product, x
2x
times x
plus
x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x.
2x plus
Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Collect the like terms. My only like terms are the two terms in the middle.
B.
Negative 2x minus 4x is negative 6x. So D is my answer. Y equals 66x represents
y equals wait.
a partial variable.
It's definitely y equals 66 x with 66. Why? It's y. Remember that y is equals. You remember y equals m equals y. M equals y. My very. So it's y equals h. So y 16 point y 16 point y stands for what? Y stands for what? It stands for direction verification. Both and direction verification and
Variation, both direct and partial, or neither. So this is a linear relationship because the exponent on the x is 1. And since y and x vary directly with each other, there's no constant added.
But why this kept?
We call that a direct variation.
Ah, this one is
17, on the other hand, there is a constant added after the x term. Therefore, it's a partial variation.
Partial variation. Easy.
Primary source of data means data you are collecting.
Which of the following primary source of date? Looking up the leading
yourself, so let's see
data.
which of these is someone collecting data themselves. A, looking up leading scores on NHL.com. Well, NHL.com has a staff that collected those stats, so you're not collecting those stats yourself. Getting information about your stock in the newspaper. Once again, the newspaper retrieved that data, not you, so that's not primary. C, you're conducting a survey of students in your class to determine the most popular type of music. That's definitely primary because you're asking the questions, you're collecting the data. And part D, same as A and B, someone else has collected the data. You're just referencing the data they've collected. So A, B, and D are secondary, C is primary.
I
just got, how many correct did I get?
Designed by experts, Duolingo's path helps you practice.
How much did I get?
19, estimating the values beyond the known data for a relation. That's called
extrapolation. I know this.
When you're estimating a value within the set of data that you have, that's called interpolation. And we use the line of best fit to make those extrapolations or interpolations, but this definition is about extrapolation.
Yes.
Okay, we have a distance time graph here. In which section is Rena moving the fastest?
Which section is Rena moving the fastest? I go with W is W.
Speed is a rate of change, and rate of change is represented by the slope of the lines. We're looking what section of this line is the steepest. Now, by just looking at this, I need to decide between P and R. I think those segments are the steepest. Let's figure out which one is steeper. Section P, what's the slope? It would be rise 1.5, run 2, slope of P equals rise over run, so 1.5 over 2, which is 0.75, and we're in kilometers per minute. And now let me calculate the slope of R. Now it's going to be a negative slope because the line's going down to the right, but the absolute value tells me the speed. Now the slope of R is down 2 over 2, and it's a little bit confusing in these calculations because the y scale is by 0.5s, the x scale is by 1s, but you can figure it out. So rise negative 2, run 2, that's a slope of negative 1 kilometers per minute, right? The negative meaning towards home in this case, right? The distance from home is decreasing. You can also think of that as something called displacement. And the 1 is telling us the speed. 1's bigger than 0.75, which means that R is a steeper slope, which means section R is when she's moving the fastest. 21. The following graph show a person's distance from home. We could think of that once again as displacement. Which graph shows an acceleration away from home? Okay, and it's away from home, so that tells me that it's going to be going up to the right. She's going to be starting close to home and finishing further away. So that narrows it down to either this graph or this graph. Now I need to look at which one is showing an acceleration away from home, which means the slope is getting steeper as we move to the right. This one, as we move to the right, the slope starts off pretty shallow, but it keeps getting steeper and steeper and steeper, so moving away at an accelerating rate. So part C. A would be
correct. That was correct. And this is for math. Now, the thing I never wanted. Science is coming. Science quiz. Let's go. Bro, what the? Not this. Science quiz. Okay. General knowledge. No. Which one should I? Let's go with the. This line is longer. Was high school? Wait, high school? First, let's do that. Then we will do the high school one. Okay?
Hey, monsters!
Okay.
Here's a fun general knowledge quiz, science edition.
Okay.
Let's go. What is the chemical symbol for gold?
Go. GD.
AU. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Let's go. Second correct.
Who is known as the father of modern physics?
Oh, wait. Is I think Albert Einstein. Isaac Newton.
Albert Einstein.
Wait, I just forgot. I thought the Albert Einstein was Isaac Newton, but no, I know this one. It was Albert Einstein.
What is the chemical formula?
Just
for
I
water?
forgot the name. What is the chemical formula for water? O3. It's CO3.
H2O.
Okay. What?
Which planet is known
Mars.
as the red planet?
Mars. It's Mars.
Mars.
Let's go. Let's go.
What is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight?
Photosynthesis. Easy.
Photosynthesis. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere?
Oxygen. Oxygen. Nitrogen. It was nitrogen.
Who is credited with discovering penicillin?
Louis Pasteur.
Alexander Fleming.
Okay.
What is the smallest unit of matter?
Atom. No, it's not cell. Cell is like this, so cell. Oh, it's cell. I think. Cell.
Atom.
Oh my god, I was so slow. Why did I see?
Which of the following is a noble gas?
Which of the following is a noble gas? Helium.
Helium.
Okay, let's go. Easy.
What is the chemical symbol for the element iron?
Iron.
Fe.
Why is always C?
What is the force that pulls all objects towards the center of the Earth?
Gravity. Yes.
Gravity.
Easy.
Which element is the most abundant in the Earth's crust?
I think iron. Aluminum.
Oxygen. Which part of the human body is responsible for pumping blood?
Blood. Brain. No, heart. It's heart.
Heart.
Let's go. Easy.
What is the chemical symbol for the element oxygen?
OM.
O.
Bruh.
Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
Release do hydrogen. Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Let's go easy.
What is the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves?
Transpiration. C.
Transpiration.
Bro, I never saw this video, but how am I getting
Which
it right?
planet is the largest in our
Which planet is the largest in our? Bro, what did I just do that?
Hey, monster!
No, where am I? Cheat.
Oxygen!
Okay, we did this.
What is the
Okay.
process by which
We
plants
did
lose
this, we
water
did
vapor
this.
through their leaves?
We did this.
Transpiration. Which planet is the largest in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Let's go. Easy.
Who is known for formulating the laws of motion and universal gravitation?
Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. What is the chemical symbol for the element sodium?
SO.
Na.
Nadia.
Which gas is responsible for the ozone layer in Earth's atmosphere?
Ozone. Ozone. Ozone.
Ozone.
Easy.
What is the main component of natural gas?
Methane. No, propane.
Methane.
Oh my god, always correct.
Who is known for the discovery of the principles of genetics and the Punnett square?
Thomas Hunt Morgan. No, it's Charles Darwin.
Gregor Mendel. What is the chemical symbol for the element hydrogen?
Hydrogen. He.
H. Which planet is known for its prominent rings?
Saturn.
Saturn.
Let's go. Correct.
What is the SI unit of electric current?
Volt. Is it?
Ampere.
No. Ampere.
Who is known for developing the theory of relativity?
Galileo.
Albert Einstein.
Bruh.
Which gas do humans primarily exhale when they breathe out?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Let's go. Correct.
Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect on Earth?
Nitrogen.
Carbon dioxide. What is the chemical symbol for the element carbon?
C.
C.
No, let's see. Let's go. I'm correct.
Which force opposes the relative motion of two surfaces in contact?
Magnet.
Friction.
Oh yeah, it's friction.
What is the
Yeah, it's
process
friction.
by which water changes from a liquid to a gas at the surface of the Earth?
Precipitation.
Evaporation. Who is known for discovering the double helix structure of DNA?
Rosalind Franklin.
James Watson and Francis Crick. What is the chemical symbol for the element silicon?
Se.
Si.
Oh my gosh.
Which planet is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition?
Bro, wait. Mercury? Mars.
Venus.
Bruh.
What is the chemical symbol for the element nitrogen?
Ni. Is it?
N. Which subatomic particle carries a negative electric charge?
Electrician.
Electron.
Let's go. Correct.
What is the chemical symbol for the element chlorine?
Cl.
Cl.
Let's go. Correct.
What is the chemical symbol for the element potassium?
K.
K.
Correct. Last
Who is
correct.
considered the father of modern chemistry?
Robert Boyle.
Antoine Lavoisier. How many did you get? Comment down below and make sure
You
to
guys
like and subscribe.
comment down below how much did I get. Now, not this one. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Bro, if I get copyrighted or anything,
Are you smarter
I'm
than
sorry.
a high school student?
Funquiz get a shout out. Please, Funquiz, please don't give me a copyright strike. This is for a challenge from Muhammad Ayaan. If something happens, Muhammad Ayaan, you have to do something for
Take
me.
this fun general knowledge quiz to
History, MSS, math, globe.
find out and let me know at the end how many
Geography.
questions you get correct. Let's get started.
My God, this one's hard.
First question. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
Romeo and Juliet, Charles Mark Twain. This is gonna be I know. This is gonna be
That's right. A. William Shakespeare.
bruh.
What is tempo in music?
Pitch, volume.
Yeah, it's B. Speed.
Bruh.
What is a right angle?
Angle of 90. Wait. I think 45.
The answer is B. Angle of 90 degrees.
Bruh.
In what year did World War II end?
1944.
Correct. It's C. 1945. How many players are on a basketball team?
I don't know. 5. Or to wait. 7.
That's right. There are 5 players. What is the Milky Way?
Type of galaxy. I know this
The
one.
answer is C. A type of galaxy.
Let's go.
What year did the Titanic sink?
1980s. 1912.
Correct. It's B. 1912.
Let's go. Correct.
What is the periodic table?
Known as chart of all known as
It's B. A chart of all known elements. What is the largest mammal in the world?
a mammal. Elephant.
That's right. A. Blue whale.
Why it is blue? Doesn't
Which country has the largest population?
United States.
The answer is A. India. What is the unit of electrical resistance?
Volt. Emperor.
Yes, it's A. OHM.
Bro, it was emperor, right?
What does DNA stand for?
That's it. Dioxide is A.
It's C. Deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the national language
Yeah. What's national
of
language?
Brazil?
I think Portuguese.
That's right. A. Portuguese.
Ooh, hola.
What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Correct. It's C, nitrogen.
Let's go.
What is the sum of the angles in a triangle?
Angle. Wait, 180 degrees. It's to,
Yes, it's B, 180 degrees.
yes.
Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes?
Lake. I think Sweden. No, Finland. Sweden.
Correct. It's C, Finland.
Okay.
Who discovered America in 1492?
Hernan Cortés.
That's right. B, Christopher Columbus.
Huh?
What is the chemical symbol for mercury?
Emmy.
Yes, it's A, Hg. Calculate the area of a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters.
Calculate the area of circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. What is a radius? One, two, two, three, four. It's a 6. See.
Correct. It's B, 78.54 centimeters squared.
How, bro? How?
What does URL stand for?
URL. United Record. See.
It's B, Uniform Resource Locator.
How did I
What's
get
the
that?
basic unit of life?
More cell.
Yes, it's C, cell.
Let's go.
What is a byte?
Byte. What is a byte? 16 binary degree. A single byte digit.
It's B, 8 binary digits. Who was the first emperor of Rome?
August Julius Caesar.
It's C, Augustus.
Augustus.
What is the genre of The Great Gatsby?
John. What? Science fiction.
Yes, it's C, novel of manners.
What the?
What is the hardest natural substance on Earth?
I think it's go. I don't.
Correct.
Diamond.
It's A, diamond.
Diamond, bro.
What is the main economic activity in rural areas?
Agriculture. Information technology.
Yep, it's A, agriculture.
Bro, that was correct.
Name a noble gas.
Nitrogen. No, it's helium.
Correct. It's C, helium.
Let's go.
Name the largest ocean on Earth.
It's Atlantic Ocean. It's Atlantic Ocean.
That's right. B, Pacific Ocean.
Bruh.
What is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon?
Wait. What is sum of integral Angles of pentagon. Wait. 540 degrees. 540 degrees. 540 degrees.
The answer is B, 540 degrees.
Let's go easy.
What does RAM stand for?
Read only memory. Random access memory. Read access memory. Read only memory. Read.
It's C, random access memory.
How should we know this one? That was
What year did the Berlin Wall fall?
1989.
Correct again. It's C, 1989.
Whoa, how did I get correct?
What is the smallest country in the world by area?
Monaco. Wait and see to San Marino. Marino.
It's B, Vatican City. What is the standard length of a marathon?
20 kilometer. It's 20 kilometer.
It's C, 42.195 kilometers. When did the French Revolution begin?
1812.
That's right, A, 1789. Name the ancient civilization that built the pyramids in Egypt.
Egyptian.
Yes, it's B, Egyptians. Which African country is known as the Rainbow Nation?
South Africa.
Correct, it's A, South Africa.
Let's go.
What is the tallest building in the world as of 2024?
What? No, not Ghani. What? Burj Khalifa.
Yes, it's B, Burj Khalifa.
Easy.
Who developed the theory of relativity?
Albert Einstein.
That would be C, Albert Einstein.
Let's go. Easy.
What is the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest.
It's B, Mount Everest. What is the name of the first computer virus?
What the? What is this? Now what is this?
What is the name of the first computer virus?
Blaster. Creeper? Blaster blast.
Yes, it's A, Creeper.
But what was I love you, bro? What the?
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Correct, it's B, Jupiter.
Let's go.
Name a symptom of dehydration.
Dehydration. Dizzy.